What is a shotgun house? Hello friends, my aim here is to tell you all about these charming, colorful houses, with an equally colorful name. The tiny house trend is in full force, with homeowners finding the appeal of living, really, small and even building their own tiny homes from do-it-yourself kits. But diminutive dwelling is nothing new. Take a walk along the historic streets of New Orleans, and you'll see many examples of the original tiny home, the shotgun house. Shotgun houses, which gained popularity in the African American communities of New Orleans and other southern cities like Charlotte, North Carolina, and Houston, Texas, in the early 19th century, are instantly recognizable for their small footprint. These one-room wide single-story homes are situated close to their neighbors. What they lack in square footage, they more than make up for in charm. Oftentimes these small homes have been painted in bright colors, and their welcoming front porches have been decked out with gingerbread trim. While lots of examples remain, many historic shotgun houses have since been lost to urban renewal, but a newfound appreciation for their architectural significance is helping them get the recognition and restoration they deserve. But you might be wondering what exactly makes a shotgun house, and where did the name come from? So, what's a shotgun house? Shotgun houses were constructed with efficiency and affordability in mind. Developers built them with the goal of fitting as many houses as possible on smaller plots of land. Shotgun houses are usually one room, or about 12 feet wide, and 3 or 4 rooms deep. The front door leads directly into the living room, then there are 1 or 2 bedrooms, and the kitchen is in the back. There are no hallways, so it's necessary to walk through one room to get to the next. All of the doors line up, providing a welcome breeze in the warm southern climates. Shotgun houses typically feature spacious gabled front porches, which encouraged socializing with the nearby neighbors. With this design, shotgun houses found inventive ways of fitting all of the necessities without much square footage. At the time they were built, there was no indoor plumbing, so bathrooms didn't exist. Most shotgun houses in use today have the bathrooms added onto the back. Where did the name shotgun house come from? The answer isn't so straightforward. According to lore, shotgun houses got their name due to their linear design. Theoretically, a bullet shot through the front door could exit the back door without hitting anything. Others speculate the word shotgun is derived from the Yoruba word togun, meaning house or gathering place. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to the engineer AJ Ladd's channel How to Make My House.